Traders in the popular Boji Boji Owa market, also known as Garage Owa, Delta State, on Saturday the 13th of April 2024, staged a peaceful protest over plans by executives of Ika North-East Local Government Council to demolish traders' shops in order to rebuild new lock-up shops, allegedly proposed to be sold out to interested traders at a higher price. The traders with the various inscriptions on a placard unanimously marched through and around the Owa market in one voice, chanting, "Marilyn, na you we want." The protesters said they were given an ultimatum to leave their individual shops latest Monday, 15th of April 2024, with no alternate place pending when the markets are rebuilt. Among other traders who spoke with our PMTV correspondent, lamented that the council's plan to demolish their shops will send them into indebtedness and penury, having obtained loan facilities to pay for shops and purchase goods. Added that many traders were even compelled to pay for their shops, which many already complied and yet were mandated to park. They therefore appealed to Honorable Marilyn and the state government to renovate the market instead of demolishing it.
The second election in one Apuha, it will merely of the mafia by any aqua umo or wadi aqua, by any day aswafia area aqua where he could go. Adona in Weben, Yaka Igerini, Ya officer, Ya Ubeni, Ya get us. Or he could go, when over Henry did at Toto, at Obo, well, 6 million, 8 million, and the one when he with the Asaka money, when in the Choconicity by it, so you were 600,000 naira, and I did a Jafia, or 100,000 naira, and Yasana come there, or Rumogan, as soon as Johnny were tossing the mafia. Money can walk over there, it will be released. Can you stop or say you need or Jacodar innovate in your door? Not innovate, only when and when Yaka walk over Igweni. If it I learn up her, I learn not to get I had to end or win. Or say you need to get road on. I want a year. April. Yaka to another. What is anyone no money in just such a way? One of us, 8 million, and 10 million, and no notice. They had a challenge, and by human, no notice. A buena caterpillar, and the villa caterpillar. Ogale, when they get attracting any, on any show.
Okay, but on what guy again, one anywhere out on order anywhere.
All the well out what a year, we're hanging on, where the jing out 10 million, 8 million. People need to be when so you had to learn to learn all the way to what to go on the your right. I can't after. Did I expect to look about on any year? How much on your 10 million to learn on my side.
Here we were in Canada. I did about the lady. Mamma the mafia bed. Ogwati Mana COVID. One or two when you other more Santa bed, one or weapon. We were going to weapon what on I catch you, but I don't go out. I asked Anna Kanga. You were not well, Butcher, but I come on belly. So when you wash out on a what was I know about? Where do you organ? Very little cheap, ya. On or what on my personal, you whom my picture of money. What to go on young Quahoquan, and what to go by April. Ya April quackage to man, where to go. No, you're like I know, honest mamma. Well, you were I'm a pulobi. No one I know we can combo. Nay, what to go on your like over your no one I catch already. But I'm a chair where to another one you will marry, no Hosopia. He was Wapia, as well, you quarter. A Baran Cambozi, in the council of Bella de Euro, as one in and you can quarter. I said, what was my best one who was on Tuesdays? We tell back when the channel, as one day, if you are going in it on Monday deadline, you will your manager many are quartering. So, no one in their failure bed, and you're not seriously mechanical. I'm on the we get my head, man, what's wrong? wa kwa munko na wa rugo no nke nwanye odo so ya nje ga ahi berile no da go na bele body le no kare na ma ya che bele no buhai mafia na inwero buhai mafia na ezu na igezu ahwa we tikpa yodo we tikpa atipo we kwekwe yin kwa no eje yodo ye ko we ya ai tikpa we tikpa go ebu ereche erohini one many trader petit trader uche me pint uche me sense ahu na go nge ya ngire yoro hu ni wese say da kwade ososo eyin kwade benye shi aya no ma ohi ju so le mana ya so no we yesu ka wo hi we to so hi iye da do we dodo na ya yo ka we bi ya na yo do we to se aya cho nu atipa we to se e we che mi bu so deru ni arugo wa
oye do bia Donington, ihe mebe maka ọdịrị mma ndị azọpịa maka ni ọ tọrọ ihe ma emekpa webe afịa etikpọwa mbụ etikpọgwụwa ndị iwe tikpọrọ ndụ ahụ esoro ka nwezie wetara etikpọta the second time anyị nwe nọsị mba ụmụ eketikpa na-ekwerikọ wee dozi na ya wekpọ renovation wee wefu ibelu ebuche ekwusi kitchen then ememe we onye nwe nke ọdụchi ewu onye ihe onwe alani emegwu ije dere mezie were me ayase ka kwụgwa so ya ka ibere ya ka ya iwere ewe nai egomene anyị gara gwa the government wee dodo wee datu na pian n'ọdọ mbana ihe erere na iwe ndị ọsọ ka azụọ ayase ka asụ mmụọ because aweti gbanwa ndị nwe na-echi enwekọzia eremewe 5 million 10 million 7 million ego nwa ndị azọpịa enwe ahụ gị kwụgwọ so anyị nwani erasa wee dodo nwoke wa gbamere na ya na-ekwe anyị kwa ka onye ga-emelechọn ọgba ni okehe kwa obuche gbamgba odozie anyị nwani dị mechi anọdụkwa ime ya ihe na protest ebe ya na-eme na ihe kwa anyị kwa ya kwa chụpụle ya chụpụ enwebe ka kwa ya
onye Zofia before Merily came into existence they have already approved these shops which is the former chairman was handling these shops which they're going to transaction. We don't really know the transaction before then during the COVID-19 time. Okay, when Merily came into existence, he was trying to solve this problem. Are you getting it? That is why today there is chaos everywhere. Who to build and who not to build. Are you getting me? He came into this market when he heard the grievances of the people in the market. He not hold it on his feet that, okay, let us do it like this. If I build this market, if I maintain the market, renovation, I'll give it back to individual, which all the market people here accepted. Am I lying? No. Yeah? Today now, we are seeing different ball game. That is why we cry out, so that he will hear our cry. Before now, if you can watch, the people in the market, all these food sellers, before they were driving them anyhow. But when they came into Zelkowa, then during our former governor, when he heard the word, he said, okay, let us do it like this. You people should leave these people. Let us provide a better place. That is why they're going to what they used to call this Rogodo market. They not build a market there. They will give it to all these people that are selling food stuff. If you go to that market now, you will see that the project have already been done. Waiting for this our own personal project, this project. He said after that project, this will kick off. But today, we have not seen such thing. That is why we are coming out to aim our view. We are here for individual who can palliate the state affair. Since 25 years,
these stores that are waiting for more than we can buy it. So nding 6 million. He gives 6 million to Kia gives his wife. And in the whole that is why we are not happy. Another one is that if this one we don't want them to break it, let them renovate it. To give to the owners who own the stores. That is what I'm saying.
I know baby in back home. I want to show you the wall of my shoulder. Mbama hundi wa chopo. Ndi huzene rozo, ahuzene rozo. Ya no be ya wana yu Merily no bia. Osanyi kiro na ina gwa ni wetwa yeji na ahune be ncheme. Anyi chemi bu anye buru ahia ahune dire ngoni. Ya no sika icho nwa, anyi no sa na icho no o meme na yodo.
ọdụ hụhọdụnị ya renovate na ya n'iji zinc reru ehi mmiri ọ renovate obuchana ya another zinc ndị nwere ime oshi ọrịa osi yes ka ya uhia ịchọ ịnọsa ya na were nwene ya ohu wakpo James ọnọsa ọnọwu agahụ me mafiale ọnọ kpọsọma na afa line mani de kweku ni ngbam hundiwe itikpo doa line we tikpo mbo about 150 but nwa tun akika na edu ni 50 nwa du la ni 50 we dey 5 million we dey 6 million one money go eswa you da hire 400,000 hun into the bani buri atumedu ni 400 ya sunu ndlu do do nu akwan ndi akwan kweku ya ni na ka da fufu agbanya ayi da lewa ayi da ta fufu uja ya bu no so da yi ayi da lewa zo afia ayi da ta fufu mo ya hu na zo wu lewo amani waka wazo medeli na po abazo όλα του νωρί. Why na kana yuzo sasa kazung dikanyi. Kani dikanyi nguzo pozo. Ya kanku no onye zofia.
Onye zofia. Sir, the major problem where we dey get with this building at demolition is this. If you check before the House of Assembly elections, when they come and canvass for our support, the Maryland agree with us. Say, this side of the market where they never demolish. Once he win, she'll call renovator. The former owners will take back to their will take their shop back. That was our initial agreement at that point in time before the election. But what do they see now? Say, the contractor when they build, fine, he go into agreement. But they don't tell us, say, stop where you don't build reach, maintain that side. Yes. This remaining side, leave on to Maryland. What do they beg? What do they clamor for? Make Marini come fulfill our promise to the house, at least to the whole market, to the whole market people, men and women of this market. Come renovate this market for us. Make the former owner make them go back. You understand? If I don't make it leave, we don't say we are okay like this. Come renovate and those are when they leak, according to what she promised before. Come renovate and if you get where you want build, or make it build and give them back to the former owners. This one say they'll come build tomorrow. Come they begin selling one stock 5 million, 6 million. How many people will get that mind? And before then, we don't do this garage. No store where reach 10,000 for 1 month. But now the cheapest store you see is 30,000. You go to see 360, 400, 600 for one store in a year. So if we continue like this, we not to feed go become problems. Everybody when they don't get children, they don't get what they take care of. I beg, what do they talk? Make this land when they build here or whoever they build, make it maintain when they don't build. The remaining one, may they allow Marini maintain for us. May we go back to our former shop.
Chief Barrister Williams Ifeanyi Awolo, who reacted to the situation during the protest, these were his words.
I'm a human rights activist, a civil lawyer, and the national chairman of Human Rights Restoration Movement. It's a human rights organization that is founded under the principle of justice, equity, good conscience, to fight for the less privileged persons in our country. What we are seeing today borders on the right and privileges of the less privileged. That is why I have to leave my house, leave my office to come here and join them in this solidarity. Let me start by saying that we are in a democratic government. What is governance? It's government of the people, for the people, and by the people. What we are seeing today now, is it government for the people, by the people, or for the people? No. What they are practicing now, government for few, by few, and for few. And we are going to stop it. It cannot happen. Nobody should demolish any market here. All this area used to be stores. They were demolished. The original owners displaced. Today, they are out of market. They don't have stores anymore. When you demolish a store and build a new one, the people who are the original owner should have the right of first refusal. If you are saying you are going to renovate the market, the first thing you do, you call the market people, who are the owners of these stores, who have been trading here. The first one they built. Today, what is the position of that store? One person got about 70 stores. Yes. Is it supposed to be so? No! I'm not joining issue with anybody. Yes. I'm not campaigning against anybody. Yes. What we are saying, what is fair should be fair. Yes. There's nothing wrong for the government to say that they want to renovate the market. And if you want to renovate the market, you do it in a way that those who have the store should have it back. Yes. The excess one should be ballotted. Yes. Whoever that won will remain there. Yes. Not you build a new one. Those who have been there, you displace them. Well, that we will never concede to that. There is no point anybody bringing up a policy that's going to destroy the market. This market is almost destroyed. What is left again? So I am using this opportunity to call up Honorable Barrister Marilyn to come and discuss with the market women, discuss with the store owners, and let them know what he wants to do. Bring out the blueprint and know how many persons who are stored there. With this store, we'll be able to know how many stores you are building, how many stores are you giving out, how many stores are people buying. By our standard, I'm not going to trade here. The fight we are putting up is the fight for the less privileged. Yes. I will continue to do that. They should prepare memorandum of understanding with the people who have stores there. So the people will. If you see the one they did at Ebowa, there was memorandum of understanding. The people the ones they demolished, they gave their stores at the back. So if you want to do something like that, a similar thing should be done. That is all.
Traders therefore appeal to the member representing Eka Northeast constituency at the Delta State House of Assembly, Honorable Marilyn Okowa Deremola, to keep to her promise of assisting them in innovating the market and also use her good office to halt the planned demolition of the market. A stitch in time, they say, saves 9. Hopefully, the cry and grievances of the protesters would be communicated to the concerned authorities as soon as possible. Reporting in Agbo, Grace Idegun, PMTV News.
Keep watching PMTV Africa.
Keep watching PMTV Africa.
Keep watching PMTV Africa.
I'm giving a shout out to PMTV, People's Mind.
Hi guys, keep watching PMTV Africa.
Hey everybody, keep watching PMTV.
From Toronto, PMTV. Don't touch that die.
Hey guys, keep watching PMTV.
Nigerians, wherever you are, whether you're in Nugu, keep on watching People's Mind Television, PMTV.